What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. It is used to create, edit, format, save, and print text documents. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used applications in the Microsoft Office suite and is popular in schools, colleges, offices, businesses, and homes. With Microsoft Word, users can write documents such as letters, reports, resumes, assignments, books, meeting notes, certificates, and brochures. It provides a wide range of tools for formatting text, inserting images, tables, charts, shapes, hyperlinks, headers, footers, and page numbers, making documents look professional and well organized. Microsoft Word also includes useful features like spell check, grammar check, autocorrect, templates, track changes, comments, and real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same document. Documents can be saved in different formats, including docx and PDF, and can be easily shared online or printed. Because of its simple interface and powerful features, Microsoft Word is considered one of the most essential computer applications for students, teachers, professionals, and businesses around the world.